everybody. How is everybody out there in the world doing? I have a funny story to tell you. It's really not funny, it's pretty sad. Last night we had a what do you call it, a home association?
Yeah, HOA.
HOA meeting.
Right.
And I didn't go because it's the same bullshit every year. But my neighbor went, and everybody there had a mask on, he said, except for one of the board members. So a nurse, she lives in our neighborhood, she walked up and gave him a mask. He got pissed off and walked out. You know, if you don't care about others, why be on the board? I don't understand. Why be on the board if you don't care about others? You know, don't go there. Don't go there. Wear a mask to protect people that you're sitting in the room with. Okay? Now, that's all the serious bullshit I have to give you today. If you didn't like that, I'm sorry, but that's the way it goes. You don't wear a mask to protect yourself. You wear it to protect yourself, but you wear it to protect others too. Anyhow, I'm going to make a drink call today called the Satan's Claw Martini. And I have this big giant bottle of Cointreau here because it's almost empty. We always use this, pour this big bottle into a smaller bottle because that's what we do. We do that all the time. My shout outs for the day is the Cocktail Enthusiast. Man, this guy is so enthusiastic. I mean, he makes some damn good cocktails. Today he made one called the Teresa. And when I saw it, I said, the Teresa, and I thought of Teresa and Cam of flour, eggs, and yeast, of course. But he was recommended to me by Damo at Damo's Art World, or Art Drinks and Things by Damo. He's got all these nice sites. He does cocktails, he does painting, and his paintings look like photographs. Okay? And now, for my joke of the day.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Oh dear, oh dear.
This teacher was giving class and she says, I want all you kids to write an essay on what you would do if you were millionaires. Whoa, everybody got to work and started writing except little Johnny.
Oh no.
Little Johnny's just sitting there playing around and horsing around. The teacher walks up to him and says, what are you doing, Johnny? He says, I'm waiting for my secretary. And I'd be doing the same thing if I'd do the same thing too if I was a multi-millionaire. I'd wait for my secretary. Yeah, that's what I would do. That's what I would do. I didn't go to Guam last week either. Some people talked about Guam. I didn't go. Too far away. Here we go. I'm going to do a ½ ounce of lime juice. ½ ounce of Grenadine. ½ ounce of Cointreau. And 2½ ounces of gin.
Looks like 3 ounces from here.
Nope, 2½ ounces. 3 ounces, the top line is 3 ounces. And I'm getting crap from the peanut gallery.
You don't know what crap is.
I'm getting crap from the peanut gallery. Now read the sign. Are you reading the sign? I hope you read that sign. That sign was good, wasn't it? And here we go, folks.
Well, it's pretty.
That is one pretty cocktail. Now, while I'm letting that sit for a second, I got ice crystals on the top. My wife, Maui Karen Ann, got me this cup, and it's like a coffee cup. She got it at the craft fair today, and it says, "I found the vodka. It's in my orange juice. It's hiding in my orange juice." That is so cool. I'm going to put my screwdrivers in here, because that's what I do. And here we go. Taste this cocktail that I made, the Satan's Claw Martini. As usual, I make a damn good cocktail. I make them so good. And I'm going to have another sip before I give you the rigmarole. And here we go.
Hands up.
Oh, my mask. Bad shot. Don't forget, get a vaccine, wear your mask, and say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.